Hi children, a very good morning to you. Welcome back to English class. Do you know what we learned last day? Which lesson? What is the name of that lesson? Can you say? Yes, father comes alive. Whose father? That fisherman's father. In first paragraph, what did we see? We saw that one day the fisherman was walking along the seashore, and it was the first time after the death of his father he was walking along the seashore. Then what was he thinking? He was thinking of his loving father, caring father, and he had lost forever, and like that thinking, and he was walking along the seashore. Then what happened next? Then suddenly a flash of light fell on his eyes, and he saw that something shining lying on the sand. What did he do? He picked it up. He took it in his hand and looked at it. And what did he see in it? He saw a face in it. At first time he became so scared or frightened, and he threw it away. And after a little time, after thinking for some time, he again went to the same thing, and he took it and looked at it. And so he looked in it, and he saw the same face in it. Then come to the next paragraph. I will read. Listen. Page number 9. Page number 9. Second paragraph. He had never seen his own face before. He thought it was his father's face. He was very happy. He thanked God for sending his father's picture. He smiled at the picture. What a surprise! He smiled back. He turned the mirror to see if his father was behind it, but he could not see anyone. Once more he turned it to his face. "Oh, my loving father," he spoke to his father. His father's lips moved, but he heard nothing. He became sad. He cried. His father too seemed to cry. He held the mirror close to his heart and went home. Okay, children, that lesson over. Come to the second paragraph. What did he do again? Again he went that thing, and again he took it and looked in it. He had never seen such a he had never seen his own face before. He thought it was his father's face. And we know very well that that islanders did not have any mirror, comb, horn or anything like that. They didn't know about those things which are necessary for the life. And he had never seen his own face means that he didn't see his own face through the mirror, because they did not have mirror or comb. And when he saw that face, he thought that it was his father's father's face. Why did he think so? Because we can understand that the fisherman and his father got the same face cut. Means the fisherman got the same face cut of his father. That's why he thought that it was his father's face. Some children are getting father's face cut, and some others are getting mother's face cut. Whose face cut you got? Your father's or mother's? Yes. Go and look in mirror and find out whose face cut you got, your papa's or mummy's. Then here the fisherman got the same face cut of his father. That's why when he saw his own face through the mirror, he mistook that it was his father's face. He became very happy. He was very happy when he saw his father's face. He became very happy, and he thanked God for sending his father's picture. Then he thought that that picture was sent by God. Sent by God. That God had sent him the picture of his loving father after the death of his father. Then he thanked God. He smiled at the picture, and after that he smiled, looking that picture. He smiled at the picture. When he smiled, what a surprise! It smiled back. When he smiled, he saw that picture also, that his father also smiled back to him. Then he got surprised. Then next paragraph. He turned the mirror to see if his father was behind it, and he turned the mirror. He looked the backside of the mirror to see that if his father was behind it. He looked the backside of the mirror to see if his father was there or not. But he could not see anyone. Did he see anyone? No, he could not see anyone there in the backside of that mirror. Again he turned it front part. Then he saw the face in it. Then he said, "Oh, my loving father." When he saw again through that mirror, he saw his father's face here. Then he said, "Oh, my loving father." This is my loving father. And then he started to talk to his father. Then he spoke to his father. He started to talk his father. Then he found that the father's lips moved, but he heard nothing. നോക്കുമ്പോൾ അവൻ സംസാരിച്ചപ്പോൾ അവൻ്റെ ഫാദറിൻ്റെ ലിപ്സ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നു, ചുണ്ടുകൾ അനങ്ങുന്നത് കണ്ടു. പക്ഷേ he heard nothing. He could not hear anything from his father. He saw only that his lips moved. Then he became very sad. He became very unhappy, and he started to cry. He cried loudly. And what did he do? His father too seemed to cry. When he cried, he saw that his father also crying. Then he held the mirror close. He kept that mirror close to his heart and went home. Then he took the mirror and held that mirror close to his heart and went to his house. That lesson over, children. Then did you understand the meaning? When he got that shining thing, he looked in it and he saw a face, and just like that his father's face, he thought that that was his father's face. He did not know about a mirror, or he had never seen his own face. So he thought that it was his father's face because he got the face cut of his father. They seemed alike. രണ്ടുപേരും ഒരുപോലെ ആയിരുന്നിരുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് അവൻ്റെ ഫേസ് കണ്ണാടിയിലൂടെ കണ്ടപ്പോൾ അത് അവൻ്റെ അച്ഛൻ്റെ ഫേസ് ആണെന്ന് അവൻ വിചാരിച്ചത്. അങ്ങനെ അവൻ ആ മിററിനോട് അച്ഛനോട് സംസാരിച്ചു നോക്കുമ്പോൾ ലിപ്സ്, ചുണ്ടുകൾ അനങ്ങുന്നുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ ഒന്നും കേട്ടില്ല. അപ്പോഴവന് സങ്കടമായി, അവൻ കരഞ്ഞു. അപ്പം നോക്കുമ്പോൾ അവൻ്റെ അച്ഛനും കരയുന്നതായിട്ട് അവന് തോന്നി. അവൻ്റെ ആ മിറർ അത് അവൻ ക്ലോസ് ടു ഹിസ് ഹേർട്ടിനോട് ചേർത്ത് പിടിച്ച് ഹെൽഡ് ചെയ്ത് അവൻ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് പോയി. ഇനി ഇതിനകത്തെ ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട് വേർഡ്സ് ഐ വിൽ സെൻഡ് യു. യു ലുക്ക് ചിൽഡ്രൻ. First one, seashore. I think that most of the words you know very well, and also learned many of these words. So only a few words are here in this lesson. You learn the spelling and write down by side. Suddenly, shining, scared, SCARED, frightened. Again, AGAIN. Then picture, PICTURE, surprise. We already learned in last class 4 also we learned the same word, surprise, SURPRISE. Then he wondered, surprise, അത്ഭുതപ്പെട്ടു പോയി. Then next, behind, backside, BEHIND, behind, backside. Then that much only the new words. Children, you write and study the new words and read the lesson 2 or 3 times and clear it. Then have a nice day. Bye.